Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom, almost to the very bottom, because we have to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy. Scroll and find installation sources. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So let's simply tap on allow if you're ready, and as you can see in my case Gmail is right now allowed to install some content. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again and it will be turned off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.